Welcome to SL Tech Home. I am Pimitha, and today I am gonna show you how to make this slide in PowerPoint. So let's get started. Okay, I have some nice images set as the slide background. First, go to Insert and select this shape. Then put it on the slide as it covers the whole page. Now, go to Shape Format and select the fill as Gradient Fill. Press the first key and select the color as black. Then select this direction. And move the keys as I do to make a beautiful fill. Do the same with other keys. Now adjust the transparency to make the picture visible. Make sure to do the same with the other keys too. Now, press Ctrl+C in your keyboard to copy the effect, and paste it on the other pictures too. Now, go to Shapes and add a text box. Make it larger as you can. Now, select the font as Arial Black, and type the letter C, because the picture is Canada. Then go to Insert Shapes and select Circle. Now add it on the letter. Paste it on other slides too. In this slide, we have Australia, so type A. Now we have Japan, and of course Switzerland. Okay, now select the shape first and then the letter. Now go to Format Shape and press Merge Shapes and Union. Do the same with the other letters too. Now, go to Format Shape and select the fill as Slide Background Fill and make the outline as No Outline. Do the same with other slides too. Now, go to Insert and add a text box. You can have your title here. And the content too. You can change the color as your preference. Now copy and paste them in the other slides too. Now go to Transitions and select TIS Transition Only for the first slide. Then, select the other slides and use Morph Transition. And there you have it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit a like and turn on notification for more tech tips and tricks. Goodbye for today. See you in the next video.